Hey there, investors. I've got some exciting news to share today. Secretary Granholm recently visited American Battery Technology Company's brand new facility. First off, a big shout out to the entire team over at American Battery Tech. They've constructed and commissioned a multi-ton per day demonstration system ahead of schedule. They're manufacturing battery-grade lithium hydroxide from their Nevada-based sedimentary claystone resource. This is a game changer, folks. Why is this so important? Lithium hydroxide is a key component in the production of high-performance batteries. By producing this critical material domestically, American Battery Tech is setting new industry standards. They're paving the way for a true U.S. closed-loop battery supply chain. Having Secretary Granholm on site was a huge deal. It's not every day that you get a high-profile endorsement like this. They've got the backing of an additional U.S. Department of Energy grant to make it all happen. The visit was also a fantastic opportunity to bring together strategic partners and stakeholders. This collective effort will solidify the establishment of a sustainable, closed-loop battery supply chain in the United States. Ryan Melsert, the CEO, said it best. He's proud of the team for constructing and commissioning ahead of schedule. For you, the investor, this means one thing: opportunity. American Battery Tech is ahead of the curve, driving innovation and sustainability in the energy sector. Their forward-thinking approach makes them a compelling consideration for your portfolio. So, keep an eye on American Battery Technology Company. They're not just making strides, they're making history. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay informed and stay invested. Catch you in the next update.